This is the most affordable off-plan project at the moment. Hi everyone, my name is Janna and you are on Nevestate YouTube channel. We tell about property in Abu Dhabi and I'm your guide in this real estate market. Today I would like to tell you more about Reem Island because now it's a very attractive destination for investors and end users because this area became a free zone. At British Shoe it's next to downtown, or if you want a business bay. I would like to show you and tell you about new residential project which is now the most affordable project on the market. One more project which I want to recommend you to consider because this is the most affordable prices on Reem Island at the moment in Abu Dhabi. This building is named Waves and it's constructed on Reem Island. If you're looking for minimum entrance to the market, I can recommend this building. For now, only 2- and 3-bedroom apartments available and also duplexes with private pools if you're considering property for living for like an end user. Or maybe just an investment for families. Developer of this building is well known. They have some projects across the Abu Dhabi, especially on Reem Island. And this is really the most affordable price at the moment. The starting price for 2-bedroom now is 2.3 million dirhams. And if you are interested in Abu Dhabi market, you know this price might be only for 1-bedroom, but this is for 2-bedroom with a spacious layout, about 130 square meters. This building, this project will have everything you need for comfortable living, like pool on the podium. You can see this is quite big pool. The pool for kids and also some sports ground, like here there will be pergola with lounge, outdoor lounge, and also a sport ground for tennis. This project will be the part of pedestrian area of Reem Island. You can see here is the canal. This is the first line from the canal, and this is the pedestrian area, very nice with the park. And actually this pedestrian area runs across the island and you can use this and walk and spend time just for your exercises and just maybe for walking. It's a very nice place to live, and this building I can definitely recommend if you're considering as an end user or as an investor. And as you can see, this side of the podium will have outdoor lounge and tennis court. The building itself will have about 650 apartments totally, and most of them are sold out. I just want to take your attention and say that this is the most affordable off-plan project at the moment. This project is perfect for investors who are looking for the low enter to the market. It's your chance. So as you can see, this high-rise building, and this part of the building overlooking the community and also the canals. And this part of the building overlooking the pedestrian area and promenade and overlooking the sea. The sea is from this side. The developer offers very competitive and comfortable payment plan. Its basic plan is 50-50. 5% is down payment, and then you pay 5% for every several months. But now we are shooting this video before the Ramadan starts, and there is a Ramadan offer, special offer with payment plan 35-65 with also 5% down payment. The project is going to be completed by the end of 2028 or beginning of 2029. If you are looking for the affordable entrance to Abu Dhabi market and you're looking for property for yourself or as an investment, just drop us a message and you can find all information below this video and contact us, and I will be happy to share information about this project and other projects which are available in Abu Dhabi right now.